So today we are going to start with question number 6. In the previous class we have completed till question number 5. So we will be doing with question number 6. So look into your books, page number 58. Okay, question number 6. Now what is given in question number 6? ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. So it is given that ABC is an equilateral triangle and all the sides of the triangle is 2A. Find each of its altitudes. So you have to find the altitude of each side, right? So now let us first draw a triangle, equilateral triangle. I am drawing it with free hand. When you draw it with scale, it will become more perfect. Okay, so here I name the triangle as A, B, C, right? And it is given to us that this side is 2A, this side is also 2A, and this side is also 2A. Each of its sides is 2A. Okay. Now, what we are going to draw is that in order to solve this, first we will write that let what is given to us. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so let ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Okay, so of the sides 2A and 2A units. Okay, so now what we are going to draw is that we are going to draw a line AD which is perpendicular on BC. Okay, and so we have drawn and draw AD perpendicular on BC, right? And here we have named it D. So where D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint, right? So this is what we have drawn. Now what we will see here is, see here, this is BC, okay, and half of BC is BD, okay, so BC is 2A, right? So now what we are going to do is that we will find out BD. So BD will be how much? As I said, BD is half of BC, so BC by 2, right, which is equal to, now already BC we have it. What is the measurement of BC? 2A, right? 2A by 2. So when we cancel 2 and 2, how much do we get? We get A, right? Now next we are going to take now A, B, D. So A, B, D, we are taking this triangle. Okay, ABD is a right angle triangle and right angle at where? Right angle at D, right? So this is right angle here. Okay, 90 degree there. Now right angle at angle D which is equal to 90 degree, right? So I said here this is 90 degree, angle D is 90 degree. So now taking Pythagoras theorem, what we are going to do, we have taken triangle ABD only. Okay, so AB square is equal to AB square, that is hypotenuse, is equal to AD square, that is perpendicular, plus base. Base is how much? BD square. This we have got by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, right? Okay. Now, how much is AB for us? How much did we get for AB? AB is 2A units. So, we write here 2A square. Now, we don't have the measurement for AD, right? So, we have to find out AD. What is BD? BD for us? BD. How much is BD? BD is A. We have already found out BD is A. A square. So now let us solve it. So 2A square means how much? 2A square will be 4A square. So AD we have to find out AD square plus A square. So when we take it AD square here, how much will it be? 4A square minus A square. So what is the answer? The answer is AD square is equal to how much? 3A square, right? So now what will be AD? We remove the square, AD will be square root 3A, right? So therefore each altitude is how much? How much did we get? We have got 3A units. 3A units. So this is your answer for question number 6. Okay. So did you understand? See, we have drawn a triangle, an equilateral triangle, which is already given to us, that ABC is an equilateral triangle and all the sides are of the measurement of 2A. Okay. So we have drawn an equilateral triangle where all the sides are 2A. So we have drawn a perpendicular also, that is AD, and we have to find out the measurement for AD, right? So now AD is perpendicular on BC and D is the midpoint, right? So now we have to find out BD, right? Now BD is half of BC. So BD equals to BC by 2. Why? Because BD is half of BC and we have the measurement of BC. What is the measurement of BC? 2A. So 2A by 2, when we cancel it, it comes A, right? Now triangle ABD is a right angle triangle and it is right angle at angle D, that is 90 degree is here, right? 90 degree is here. So now by plotting the Pythagoras theorem, we have got the altitude. What is the altitude? The altitude is, each altitude is 3A root over, right? Units. So next we come to question number 7.